This practice is perfect for any time that you need a natural way to increase your energy or lift your spirits. Coming to a standing position, anchor your feet into the ground, close your eyes, and feel yourself supported and grounded. Allow yourself to relax into your breath. Gently open the eyes. Bring the hands together in prayer pose. Take a deep inhale and exhale the hands down, around, and up. Slight back bend. And as you come into your slight back bend, then folding forward, stepping your feet back into downward dog. Pausing here a moment. Take a deep inhale. Exhale out of the mouth. Do that 2 more times at your own pace. And when you're ready, bring the knees to the ground, coming into some cat-cow, moving with your breath. Make this a moving meditation with intention, creating that energetic flow from the root of the spine, where the root chakra is, bringing that prana up through the spine, opening and releasing any tension and creating this energetic flow. Gently coming to a neutral spine, stepping the right foot in between both hands, coming up onto your knee, pausing here, taking a deep inhale, and just stretching the hips forward, opening the chest, long deep breathing. On the next exhale, bring both hands down on either side of the right foot. Come back through tabletop, pausing here a moment. And then inhale the left foot in between the hands and coming into that posture on the left side, pushing the hips forward, opening the back, stretching, using the prana to increase your energy and open up every cell in your body. And then on the next exhale, release both hands down on either side of the left foot, coming through tabletop, and gently go into a child's pose. Pausing here, releasing and letting go. And when you're ready, on the inhale, coming up into downward dog, stretching it out, releasing, at the same time bringing this prana into your body to create this energetic flow, to increase your energy, energize the mind, at the same time releasing any stress. On the next inhale, walk your feet to your hands and allow yourself to bow forward, release and let go. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bring the hands down, around, and up. Slight back bend if you wish. Hands down the center in prayer pose. Inhale the hands down, around, and up. Exhale, bow forward. Stepping the left foot back, coming into a lunge. And in your lunge, inhale the arms high up to the heavens. On the next exhale, coming into warrior two. Inhaling to reverse warrior. And then exhale into triangle pose. Inhale, bending the right knee. Bringing both hands on either side of the right foot. rotating on the tips of the left toes. Step the left foot in. Inhale to a flat back. And exhale, folding forward to pyramid pose. Stepping the left foot to meet the right. Clasping the hands behind you. Stretching the arms and the hands high up to the heavens. And then exhale, release. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale down. And then inhale the hands high up to the heavens. And bring the hands down in the center through prayer pose. Pausing there a moment. Really feeling yourself grounded. Feeling the body supported by the earth. Inhale the hands down, around, and up. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, coming forward. Stepping the right foot behind you, coming into that lunge. Inhaling the arms high up to the heavens. Long, deep breathing. And then exhaling into warrior two. Inhaling to reverse warrior. Exhaling into triangle pose. Inhaling, bending the left knee. Bring both hands on either side of the left foot, rotating on the tips of the right toes. Stepping the right foot in. Inhaling to a flat back. Exhaling over into pyramid pose. Inhaling the right foot to meet the left, bowing forward, allowing everything to roll off and release. Inhaling up to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward, bring the hands down, around, and up. And then bring the hands in prayer pose through center in front of the heart. We'll do this one more time. Moving with your breath, not necessarily my words. So inhale the hands down, around, and up. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward. Bring the left foot behind you. Coming up into that lunge. Exhaling into warrior two. Inhaling, reverse warrior. Exhaling through triangle pose. Inhaling both hands on either side of the right foot. Stepping the left foot in, flat back. Exhale into pyramid pose. Bringing the left foot to meet the right. Bowing forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bring the hands down, around, and up. Slight back bend, hands through center in front of the heart. Pausing here a moment, feeling the support of the earth and the ground beneath you. And when you're ready, inhale the hands down, around, and up. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale up to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward. Step the right foot behind you, coming up into the high lunge. Exhaling into warrior two. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale into triangle pose. Inhale, bending the left knee and coming with both hands on either side of the left foot. Stepping the right foot in. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, pyramid pose. Stepping the right foot to meet the left. Bowing forward. Allow everything to roll off. Your shoulders and neck to relax. And then inhaling to a flat back. And then exhaling down and bring the hands down, around, and up into prayer pose with the hands and down the center in front of the heart. Pausing there a moment.
And together we'll do this one more time. Modify anything that your body, mind, spirit wishes and wants. Inhaling the hands down, around, and up. Slight back bend. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward. Stepping the left foot back. Coming up into your high lunge. Exhaling into warrior two. Inhaling, reverse warrior. Exhaling, triangle pose. Bending the right knee, inhaling and exhaling, bring both hands on either side of the right foot, stepping the left foot in. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale, stepping the left foot to meet the right, coming up to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward. And inhale the arms high up to the heavens and bringing the hands in prayer pose in front of the heart. Preparing for the other side. Inhaling the hands down, around, and up. Slight back bend if you wish. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale up to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward. Stepping the right foot back into your high lunge. Exhaling into warrior two. Inhaling to reverse warrior. Exhaling both hands on down into triangle pose. Left hand down, right hand up. And this time, exhaling both hands down on either side of the left foot. Stepping the right foot in. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward. Stepping the right foot to meet the left. And allow yourself to completely hang over. Allow the neck and the shoulders to relax and release. And then coming in, inhale to a flat back. Exhale, release. Bring the hands down, around, and up. Hands together in prayer pose, bringing down the center in front of the heart. Pausing here a moment. Inhaling the hands down, around, and up. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward. This time, come down onto your knees and gently releasing into child's pose.
Completely release and let go. On the next inhale, gently walk your hands back towards your knees, coming to an upright spine. Bringing yourself into a meditative seat. Resting your hands, palms facing up on top of the knees or the thighs. Close your eyes and just sit and be here for a few moments. Noticing that your sit bones are grounded into the earth beneath you. Your spine is straight. Your mind is relaxed. You have a smile on your face. And you're ready to take on any fun, energizing challenges coming your way. Sit here for a moment in silence. the next inhale, bring your hands together in prayer pose in front of your heart, pressing your thumbs into your heart center, bowing your head to your heart, honoring yourself for taking the time to practice today. Lifting your head, put it straight in alignment with the spine. Bring your hands in prayer pose up to your third eye, pressing your thumbs into your third eye. Knowing, trusting, and believing that everything is always working out for your highest good. And then bringing your hands back down into prayer pose in front of the heart and bowing forward in thanks and praise. And then lifting up. Namaste.